Hallo alle zusammen. So today we're just going to look at Wetter very quickly. We're going to do a few things. Just going to keep this video very short. Okay, so we're looking at Das Wetter Grammatik. What I'd like you to do is just write some notes in your exercise book or wherever you do that. Okay, so eventually we are going to be using wenn with the weather. So wenn means if or when, whenever. Yeah. So if/whenever, yeah? If it is raining, for instance, okay? But first we need to know how to identify the verbs when we're looking at weather, okay? And it's not as easy as it sounds. So we've got es regnet there, es ist regnerisch, es ist nass. Okay, so if we stick with that just for now, because it all is about rain or being wet. Okay, so es regnet means it is raining. It is raining. Yeah, it is raining. Es ist regnerisch. It is rainy. Es ist nass. It is wet. Okay, so if I say that in English, it is raining, it is rainy, it is wet. We know what the verb is there, don't we? It's is because it's from to be. Okay, it is raining, it is rainy, it is wet. All right. So if we look at the German, es regnet. So this means it. So obviously that means this is the verb. Literally, it rains. Yeah? Oh, it rains today. Okay. Es ist regnerisch. It is rainy, obviously. Ist is the verb. Yeah? Es ist nass. Ja. Ist is the verb. It is wet. Okay. Now, here, I've got the opposite type of weather, and I've made a mistake here. Es ist sonnig. Es ist sonnig. What's that mean? Yeah, it is sunny. It is sunny. Yeah, it is sunny. So is the verb in English. So ist auf Deutsch. Yeah, es ist sonnig. It is sunny. Now here we've got something different. Die Sonne scheint. Right, so that's a noun, isn't it? The sun shines. Is shining. Shines. Yeah? So the sun is shining. In English, we've got the two there. Is shining. Yeah? Or we could have the sun shines. Yep. So scheint is the verb. Okay. Es ist schön is another way of saying that. It is nice or it is beautiful. Yeah. So das Wetter ist schön, for instance. It is nice. All right. I'll just put nice for now. Okay. Ist. Okay, so make sure that you're writing that down somewhere and having a think about, all right, where are these verbs when I'm talking about what the weather is? Okay, because you will need to know that when we start putting together when, whenever. If it is raining, I go by car, for instance, okay? All right, well, I hope that was useful. Ich sage jetzt Tschüss.